Hi, everybody. Welcome to Gamble with Jimmy. I have a wonderful, the greatest crap strategy of all time. There's no question about it. This is the holy grail. You will not see me make any better crap strategy than what you're about to see. This is absolutely insane. I cannot lose. I've played this over and over and over and over and over, and I win and I win and I win. You want to talk about a bankroll builder? Guys, this is it. You are in for a treat. This is a $6,000 bankroll. This is the way you're going to play it. We're only playing the 6-8. Here we go. This is called wait and wait 6-8. Wait and wait 6-8. Greatest crap strategy you're ever going to see in your life. You are going to make 10 grand a month playing this strategy. If you don't think I'm kidding, I'm going to show you right now. Watch this strategy, guys. Shooter goes. I don't care who's the shooter, okay? First one is a 7. That counts as 1. Next one is a 9. That's the point. That counts as 2. What you're looking to do is you're waiting for at least 5 rolls or 6 rolls before you see a 6 or an 8. Every time something hits, you count it as a roll if it's not a 6-8. Okay? So we've had 2 rolls that are not a 6 and 8. There's a 5. That's 3 rolls. There's a 4. That's 4 rolls. There's an 8. Guys, there's 3 ways. There's 3 ways to throw an 8. There's 3 ways to roll a 6. There's 3 ways to roll a 7. You have 6 ways to win and only 3 ways to lose. Okay? There's your 8. So what we're going to do, we're supposed to bet the 6 and the 8 at the same time, but the 6 is due because it's been longer than it's supposed to before it hits. There's the 8 again. So we can't bet the 8 right now. We got to wait for that 8 not to hit at least 5 times. And there's your 6. Okay? You get 100, and I'm going to use these white chips to pay us, okay? That's $120, guys. $120 right there. Okay, you're down. Put it back. You're already up $120. Now on this one, I recommend you wait till you win at least $300, $400 before you quit. Okay, there's a 7. We didn't lose a dime. That counts as a roll. So we have 2 rolls so far that it hasn't been an 8. Okay, that's a 10. No, that's an 11. That counts as a roll, guys. That's 3 rolls. 7 counts. 4 rolls. And there's the 7. 5 rolls. 7. So we're going to go 100 on the 8, 100 on the 6. Wait, 6-8. That's a 5. You don't have to count no more because you already did your bet. And there's your 7. Okay, so we're going to lose this 200. Okay, now we got to count our rolls. That counted as 1. There's your 8. Your point is an 8. Okay, so right now we're focused on the 6. And there's the 7. Okay. Okay, this is a 6. Okay, point is a 6. There's a 9. That's 3 rolls without an 8. And there's the 7. Okay? 4 rolls without an 8. Here comes the come out. Okay, that's a 4 and a 5. That's the point is a 9. And there's an 8, unfortunately. We didn't get our bet in. Okay? Well, our next bet will be the 6. And there's the 7. Okay? So we've had a couple rolls. The 6 is due, guys. The 6 is due. Do you see what I'm doing? There's the 7. Okay? We're going to go ahead right now and put 200 on that 6. We'll do the 8 here in a minute. That's a 9. Okay, point's a 9, by the way. There's a 9. That's the point. You're going to tell the dealer that you want to work that because your 6 is due. There's an 11. Still don't got a point. There's a 3, still don't got a point. And there's your 6, guys. 3, 3, 6. You get $220. No, you get more than that. You get $230, something like that. Okay, there's your 200. Okay, put that back into your bankroll. Okay, bear with me. Okay, we're up, we're in profit. Okay, now what's due? The 8 is due. Okay, put 100 on the 8 right now. The 8 is long due, guys. And there's your 6, points of 6. So you got a while before you can bet that 6. Okay, snake eyes. And there is a 5. Okay. There's a 5. A snake eyes. You're getting close to betting that 6, guys. A 3. 2 more and we're betting that 6. A 4. 1 more and we're betting that 6. And there we go. That's a 3. So we're betting a 6. We're going to put $100 on the 6 now. The 6 and the 8 are due. That's an 11. It's either going to be a 6, 8, or a 7 soon. A 9. And there's the 7. Unfortunately, that 7 got there first. But that's okay. That's just the way the game goes. But guess what, guys? You don't need to count. You don't need to count because you're already past due on the 6, 8. So you're going to go ahead and work the come out. And there's your 6, guys. There's your 5, 1, 6. Do you see how I'm playing this? You're going to get $260 right there. You're going to pull your money down. Now what you're going to do, the 8 is due. You leave 100 on the 8. Reduce your bet. Reduce your bet. You're going to leave 100 on there. And you'll go ahead and work the come out. That's a 10. Points of 10. Make sure this is recording still. Okay. All right. So you're going to count. That 10 counts as 1 for your 6. That's a 4. That's 2 because you're going to be coming in on that 6 after at least 5. A 3. That counts as, that's 3 rolls that there's been no 6. An 11. That's 4. A 9. That's 5. 1 more roll. If it ain't a 6, we're coming in. And that's a 4. So we're going to do now $100 on the 6. So we got both of those working now, the 6 and 8. Wait, 6, 8. And that's a 4. All right, so it's going to be a 6, 8, or a 7. Which one's coming first, guys? Okay, that's a 10. Oh, that was the point. We're working the come out. Okay, the point's now a 9 because we hit the point. That was the come out. We worked the come out. Guys, work your come outs when it's due. Look at that, guys, 4-2. 4-2. This is the greatest crap strategy you will ever see in your life, guys. You have to, 120. You have, take it down. Leave your 8 out there. Leave your 8 out there. Your 8 is due, guys. There's your 8, guys. 5, 3. Do you see how I'm playing? $120. Okay, let's see how we did. Pull your money down. We've only been playing for, I don't know, like 8.5 minutes. Okay, in 8.5 minutes, guys. Okay, so the point's actually still a 9. All right, let's see how we did. We started with $6,000 bankroll. We have more than enough money to bail ourselves out. Okay, so hold on here. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, something's not right here. Oh, do we have a? Oh, we had a $5,000 bankroll. My bad. Yeah, let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1,000. I'm sorry, guys. We had a $5,000 bankroll, not a 6. We had a $5,000 bankroll. All right, so here's how much we made: 300, 375, 400. $445 in 8 minutes. Guys, I will make $20,000 a month on this strategy. I am not exaggerating because you didn't even see me get in any kind of trouble. You're playing 6 ways to win, 3 ways to lose. But you're waiting 5 or 6 before you see a 6 or see an 8. Wait, 6, 8. Greatest crap strategy you will ever see me show you. There is none. Do you know how many times that people play the pass line, they roll and it's a 2, or okay, they get a 4. Now they have to hit the 4 2 times before they make this money, 1 time on the pass line before a 7. They put it on a don't pass bar, right? They roll a 7 or 11, boom, 5, 2, 7. You lose on the come out. We don't have any of that. You put it on the DC, it rolls an 11, you lose. The DC rolls a 6, goes over to the 6, you hit the 6, it takes your DC. Do you see what I'm saying? This is the greatest crap strategy that you will ever see me show you. Thanks for watching, and you're going to kick ass with this one.